Profile is more than just decoration. It's the first thing viewers see, and it decides whether they stay or leave. A cluttered layout, blurry banners, missing tip menus, and generic bios can quietly kill your growth before your show even starts. Fixing simple details makes a huge difference. Keep your layout clean and easy to scan. Use a sharp, high-quality banner and make sure your tip menu is clear and updated. Write a bio that actually reflects your personality. Add working links and stick to one consistent style. And remember, most people view on mobile, so always test your profile on a phone. Small improvements can lead to more views, more tips, and more loyal fans. If you want tools that help you optimize and grow faster, head to StreamerSuite.com, built for streamers, powered by streamers.